AI technology powerhouse. In a world buzzing with technology, how do you stand out? The challenge is real, and Softhult understands it. Imagine having a one-stop solution for all your digital needs. Now, picture the struggle of juggling between multiple developers and services. Exhausting, right?
Introduction. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Softhult, a powerhouse in the tech industry. Whether you're into AI technology, web development, or graphic design, Softhult has got it all covered. Stay tuned as we explore the diverse range of services they offer and why they stand out in the competitive market.
Softhult Startup Service. First up, let's talk about Softhult's prowess in AI technology. They're not just a developer house, they're the architects of the future. From cutting-edge machine learning to innovative AI solutions, Softhult is at the forefront of technological advancements.
Brand designing the future. Now, let's shift our focus to web design and graphics. Softhult doesn't just create websites, they craft digital experiences. Their graphic design team turns ideas into visually stunning masterpieces. Whether it's a sleek website or captivating graphics, Softhult's creativity knows no bounds.
Mastering the digital realm. Windows applications, Android and iOS development are also in Softhult's repertoire. World mobile devices. Softhult ensures your digital presence is felt everywhere. They excel in creating seamless, user-friendly applications across platforms.
Cinematic brilliance. But wait, there's more. Softhult is not just about coding, they're about storytelling. With expertise in filmmaking and animation graphics motion, they bring your ideas to life. From concept to execution, Softhult turns imagination into captivating visuals.
Crafting visual perfection. Let's talk about the magic behind the scenes. Video editing, branding, and advertising. Softhult doesn't just create content, they create experiences. Their video editing skills, coupled with strategic branding and advertising, ensure your brand not only stands out but leaves a lasting impression.
Conclusion. In conclusion, Softhult is not just a developer house, it's a creative hub where technology meets artistry. Whether you're a startup looking for a digital footprint or an established brand seeking a refresh, Softhult has the expertise to elevate your presence in the digital realm.
Questions. If you have any questions or need clarification regarding the services, please don't hesitate to reach out to your supervisor or HR representative. Softhult@gmail.com. Call 923-2823-33353. Monday, Friday, 10 a.m. 5 p.m.